Let us talk about the stories shared by a doctor from Africa. These stories are shared by Dr. Fields, and the title is University Changes Hearts. One of this quarter's special mission projects is the construction of a nursing school at the Adventist University of Lukanga in Lubero, Democratic Republic of Congo. Dr. Malimbe Tatasi Fields shared 3 stories of lives that were changed through the university. A young woman from a non-Christian religion enrolled in the university upon her father's recommendation. He believed that Adventists were sincere in their faith, but he did not want his daughter to become an Adventist. However, during the Spiritual Emphasis Week, her heart was touched and she was baptized in 2024 without her family's knowledge. Now, she is expecting a possible confrontation with her father and is asking for prayers. A mother discovered at the clinic that she would have twins, even though her husband had left her. Through the devotional and evangelistic meetings, she was drawn to the Word of God and was baptized. When her husband returned, he was surprised by her transformation from a troubled life to a faithful, God-fearing woman. Now, the whole family attends church, and the husband also desires to follow Jesus. A young man wanted to become a pastor, but his family opposed him and wanted him to become a medicine man. He worked as a watchman to support his studies, but he became ill and lost his memory. Doctors said there was no medical cause. It was a particular spiritual matter. So, 27 teachers and students prayed for him. He was healed, graduated, and is now waiting for a call to serve as a pastor. The 13th Sabbath offering will help build larger laboratories for the nursing school, general nursing, midwifery, imaging, laboratory, and pediatrics. Thank you for your generous giving to support this important project and to help reach more hearts for Jesus.